Hello, and I hope you're doing well. On this video we're going to take a look at this 2016 RX 350, and the reason of me doing this video is because on the back door it sounds like an ocean in here, and let's see if you can hear it. It sounds louder when I brake. So we're going to take the door panel off and find out why it's not draining. The first thing that I did is there are two holes. There's a little hole right here on the very tip, and there's probably one on this side. It's wet, but it's not draining fast enough, so the water is still stuck in here. Perhaps let me take this off to see if there's maybe something in here. Usually if you poke something here to get the debris out of there, it'll drain out. I tried vacuuming it and it comes out, but it comes out very slowly. Now I tried pulling this away from the door. Look at that. So something's stuck there. So maybe I don't have to take off the panel. Perhaps something is stuck right between here and here. Look at that. Stopped raining the day before yesterday, but still water is there. And water is not supposed to be in here for too long. It's supposed to come out from the top, probably come through the door and either come out through this side, perhaps on the other side, but it's not supposed to get stuck in here because water might get into one of these components and it might fry it. So I just realized perhaps there's something stuck here. So let's try taking this off. On the outside of the door, all you have to do is grab from somewhere, anywhere, and pull it out. And it basically has clips right here, and you can just pull it off away from the car, and that side comes out. So now let's work on the other side. To take the inside off, there are these things. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and they're right here. So look at the placement, and all you have to do is reach inside and push this down so you can pull it out. If you try to just pull this out, it won't come off. You have to push this in. You can use a screwdriver. I used my hand, just kind of pulled it off from the door, push this in and pull this out. Now I started with this one first, pushed it in, take it out. Same thing here, 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 and here. If you want to take the rubber off, you have to go through the inside and squeeze both sides and push it away, and it comes off. But you don't have to do that. Now I see that the water was right here, all the water. So it was not in the door, it was actually here. And there's the hole right here that the water was supposed to come out of. And all this is wet. So all I'm gonna do is clean all this to make sure that it drains off. Now behind this you have plugs, one here, and one here, and they look like this. And it has an arrow because it has to be this way. And here's where the water runs out of. But this one, it has mud or debris here. It should look more like this one. And this one's still dirty, so I gotta clean them. And since they're dirty, no water can come out or drain off. This is the before. And this is the after. There's no mud or any debris around the 3 plugs. So now water can go right through. And they do have that arrow. That arrow goes down and these plugs go right here. And they don't plug 100%, water comes out. It just kind of holds some things in here. And I'm gonna clean this out too, because there's a little bit of mud in there. So water drains from the door from here, maybe here, 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 and here. There's a little hole right here. When it comes to this piece that is on the bottom of the door, there are only 2 holes. This one and this one. So if any of these 2 get clogged, water will sit here. And if any of these get clogged, then water will be right here. So all you have to do is clean the plugs and make sure that there's nothing here and right on this corner. Now that I've cleaned these, I can put them back. Like that. So I'm just gonna clean this up. And basically you gotta put this side first, the inside part first, and then the outer side. And all you have to do is push this into place. Took this off earlier. All you have to do is press both sides, pull it out, and then to put it back you just have to push it in. And on this side all you have to do is push it into place. So I hope this video helps you in any way. Thank you for watching and enjoy.